Well, I'm at work now. Look at all the snow's gone. It's been 40 for the last couple of days. It's like sleeting, raining out. It's gross. But we have grass and it's green, which is a problem. We need cold and snow. But anyways, good morning. Happy Thursday. Hi friends, it's Crystal here with Factory Girl Design. Hope you are doing well. We're gonna say it is Friday, December 19th. Sorry I missed Thursday, and I am feeling a little under the weather. And so I've needed to just take some time and rest. With work and everything that's been going on, by the time I get home in the evenings, all these boards that I'm on and all this stuff, everybody's having all these meetings now, and it's like budget planning and all that stuff. And so it's just been nonstop, which is, it's great. It's the way how life is, and it's wonderful, but it's just, it's a lot, and it's all hitting all at the same time, and which I know comes every single year, but this year it's a lot more because I'm involved in a lot more things than I was in previous years. And I've left stuff and I've resigned from things this year, but I'm still involved in things. It just gets to be a lot. So I had to take a pause from this. So I apologize. My voice is a little scratchy. I'm really tired. I could use a nap right now. But I thought I would pop on here real quick so we could open up Advents. I did post the fiber on Instagram. I was a day late for day 9, so I did 9 and 10 on the same day. But I can show you, though, where I'm at with the shawl. I am just finishing up the garter section 15. Sorry, my yarn's a little twisted here. But I'm just finishing up that last little garter section. We have a big little sections of blues. So it's all coming together. It's looking really pretty. It's been a lot of fun. So I'm excited to see what our next colors are. I already have those planned out, so it won't take me long to get those posted. Sections 16 and 17 will be out there really quick. And so those will be ready. And then for Bar's tank top or camisole, I've made pretty good progress. At the straps later. So I have a dress form out at work that goes down to a bust size of 28 inches. The ones I have at home are like 38 to 60s too. But the one I have at my office, I have a storage space upstairs where I store a lot of stuff. And that one is for smaller bodies. I will take this out to work tomorrow so I can figure out the strap length. But so far, so good. I got a little ways to go. But I don't have, right now I'm finally working in the round. So this, I think I have to go for 9 inches, and then I bind off, and then I just have to do some I-cord straps. No problem. I'll get it done. So we shall see. But let's go ahead. I'll open up. Let's see. I have days 18 and 19 here for the House of a la Mode. So let's check out day 18. This is, look at this deep blue. Oh, that's going to be so pretty next to the current blue. I wonder if we're going to get purples. Yes, we are. My favorite color. Look at that. Can you all see that? Oh, wow. Those are going to be pretty. All right, I'll get started on those next. Okay, day 9 for fiber. Let me find our little card here. And for my envelope since I've been struggling lately. Rooted in winter. It's day 9. Even in the quietest season, roots are growing. You are too. Let's see what today's day 9's color is. Is this really pretty deep dark blue. I like this a lot. There's little hints of smoky gray in there too. And then day 10. I have on my Notre Dame sweatshirt. Got to root for my team even though we got booted from playoff contention. Day 10. Cozy is a choice. Choose cozy, choose comfort, choose you. Let your making be your hearth today. And I love this color. It's like a rust orange, different shades of dark. Very little moody. So yeah. So that is days 18 and 19, friends. Again, sorry I wasn't in here sooner. I'll pop in some of the things that happened during the day. And I will be back for day 20. Oh my gosh, we are like nearing the end. Thank you all for being here. I will pop in a little bit later after I post this the new latest shawl updates, and then if you also want, it's on Ravelry too, so you can add it to your Ravelry library as well. So thanks for all the love for that. If you have questions or anything, pop them in the comments. I love hearing from you, and thank you everyone for being here. I will see you later. Bye, friends.